Welcome to our channel. Finding hidden features on Fire Stick means exploring all the official capabilities you might not know about. Follow these step-by-step instructions to discover them. Step 1. Access accessibility features in settings. Enable Voice View Screen Reader, closed captions, or magnification if you need them. Step 2. Use the Your Videos, Photos, and Music feature to play local media files from your network or cloud storage directly on Fire Stick. Step 3. Enable developer options for advanced users. You can view more detailed information about your device and connection. Step 4. Set up routines with Alexa. Create voice commands that perform multiple actions, like dimming lights and starting a movie. Step 5. Use the Photo Screensaver feature with your own photos from Amazon Photos for a personalized experience when idle. Step 6. Enable data monitoring to track your bandwidth usage. This helps if you have data caps on your internet connection. Step 7. Explore apps settings for individual streaming services. Many have hidden features like playback speed controls or audio descriptions. Step 8. Check the Fire Stick blog and help section regularly. Amazon frequently adds new features and capabilities through software updates. Real hidden features are official capabilities, not secret apps or codes for illegal content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.